Let's start with Google Analytics. This is a free web analytics tool that helps businesses track website traffic and user behavior. It allows you to measure the success of your digital marketing campaigns by tracking key metrics such as website visitors, bounce rates, and conversion rates. Next up is Hootsuite. This social media management tool allows businesses to manage all of their social media accounts in one place. It can help you schedule and publish content, monitor your brand's social media mentions, and analyze your social media performance. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing tool that provides businesses with insights on their SEO, PPC, social media, and content marketing strategies. It helps you analyze your website's organic and paid search traffic, identify high-performing keywords, and track your competitors' online performance. MailChimp is an email marketing platform that allows businesses to create and send professional-looking emails to their subscribers. It also provides you with tools to manage your email list, segment your subscribers, and track your email campaign's performance. Canva is a graphic design tool that allows businesses to create eye-catching graphics and visuals for their digital marketing campaigns. It provides you with a range of templates, images, and design elements that you can use to create stunning graphics for your website, social media, and other digital channels. Finally, Buffer is a social media scheduling tool that helps businesses plan and publish their social media content in advance. It allows you to schedule posts across multiple social media platforms, track your social media performance, and collaborate with your team on your social media strategy. These are just a few examples of the many digital marketing tools available to businesses today. By using the right tools for your business, you can reach your target audience more effectively, increase your online presence, and ultimately, grow your business.